What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Friday, January 19th, and I have another day trading video for you guys. This is the ES 2000 tick interval chart, S&P 500. This is what we're looking at, and this is what the market looked like when I opened up NinjaTrader this morning. You can see the past couple of weeks, couple of days here. Sorry for not pushing out videos this week, or at least Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday, I totally forgot to post. I made a video and everything. I just forgot to post. And Thursday, I was very busy. I went on, traded, didn't get anything. Wednesday, I actually missed a trade. I took an L, but we'll talk about that. But today, hopped on pretty quickly. This is what it looked like around market open. And we had like a nice uptrend. It looks like we had a break in the uptrend, moved to a new high, and then now we have a downtrend working lower. It looks like we got a break and still pretty much rejecting off the EMA, a little bit of congestion. But yeah, today I actually actually made a trade today, and it happened pretty quickly, not gonna lie. We got our trade pretty early on, took a second entry short off the EMA key, off our point, off our key point. High probability to sell. I think it was a high probability to sell it up. It was a nice second entry short. Signal bar was great. I liked it. Rejecting off the EMA, I thought maybe I can get a couple ticks, at least a scalp out of it, and yeah, just take what the market gives you. This ended up working out for a nice little scalp. I thought maybe I could get more, but kind of reversed, kind of didn't. Kind of just congested and did its own thing. But yeah, nice easy trade to start the morning. And honestly, that was about it. I didn't see anything else after that. It kind of congested a little bit. Had a spike in news volatility. I switched over to the SIM because I wanted to see if it would work, because we got a crazy high or low that looked like it was going to work out. So I was like, you know what, I'll switch to the SIM, see if this works out. I totally didn't even know, I didn't even realize that it was actually a news item, and it filled my order in like 2 seconds on the SIM. So you'll see that. But other than that, yeah, not a lot. Just had this first move today for the hour I was on, and after that, nothing really high probability setup wise that I liked. But yeah, Wednesday, I traded my usual hour of trading. Didn't make a trade. Was gonna get off, call it a day, and then I had a little bit more extra time in the morning, so I just went back on, and then I put myself into the mindset that I was gonna get a trade. I don't know why. It always ends badly, and it did end badly. I took a trade, took an L. So Wednesday, I took a losing trade. But that is what happens. That is what happens every time I am in the mentality that I need to look for a trade, like I'm actively searching for a trade. I'm not being patient, right? Every time I lose a trade. So I don't know how critical it is critical that you cannot be like this when you're trading. You cannot be actively searching for a trade. You shouldn't be searching bar by bar. You should make your trend lines, you should make your channels, make your trading ranges, and wait for the setup to come to you, and wait for the market to present a high probability setup. Because if you don't do that and you're actively searching, you're going to see things that aren't there, and you're going to take things that just won't work. And that's literally what happened to me on Wednesday. I was going to go off on Wednesday just completely fine, taking no trades, right? Because at the end of the day, you're not losing money. But instead, I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to go back on for an hour, see if I can see anything. But in my mind, I was thinking, I'm going to get a trade. I'm going to get a trade. I was actively searching, looking for a trade to take. And I took a really stupid trade. It wasn't good. And it just backfired. And I lost. But this isn't the first time this has happened. Every time this shit happens. So you just gotta, I don't know how much more I can express it. Be patient, take what the market gives you, and don't be actively searching for a trade, because that is where you're going to make your mistakes. So you become impatient and you just try to force something that isn't there. You know, if you allow yourself a time to trade, or if you're trading all day, just be patient, wait it out, and yeah, just take what the market gives you. I only usually trade for an hour, and it'd be nice if you had 2 trades in one session, but I don't even get a trade. No, and then if that happens, that's fine. I'm completely content with taking a trade. But when the days that I'm not content, that I want to find a trade, that is when I lose my money. So learn from my mistakes. Be patient. Sorry for the little rant, but I just need. It also helps me to rant so that I can teach myself to be patient and not take things that aren't there. But so as you can see, after that trade I took, it did end up reversing. We got that quick scalp off the second entry short. It did end up reversing, going into it looked like a trading range. A lot of mixed trading afterwards. But as it approached 5 o'clock, we did have a news item at 5 o'clock. I wasn't even aware of the news item, but like I said, we got a fat higher low, and I was like, I'm just going to take this on the sim and see if it works. And it just shot up after that higher low. Doesn't mean that's going to work every time. It worked for me, but that doesn't mean it's going to work every time, because it probably won't work the next time. But it was kind of crazy, because it didn't form like a higher low should have formed. But I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm going to enter it. Why not? But yeah. And then after that, it really just congested. Market slowed way down. The volume went down a lot, and kind of sheeshed out until the rest of the morning. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I have for today. I'm gonna wrap it up here. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you didn't, leave a dislike. I don't care. Just do what you want to do. I really don't care. But I do enjoy seeing the comments, so if you do want to comment, please comment. But I'm going to leave my most recent video to the left, and then I'm going to leave my subscribe button to the right. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you haven't checked out my most recent video, check it out. I try to do a trading video every day. Today, wasn't able to get one done the past couple of days because I've been busy and I forgot, but it's alright. But other than that, guys, I hope everybody had a great trading day, and if you didn't, hey, there's always the next day, there's always tomorrow, there's always going to be another day to trade, so don't worry about it, shake it off, get back in it for the next day. But other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace.